Welcome to Scale Molding Videos, guys. Today's video is about how to make car carpet. So what you see here, let's focus on this. There we go. Okay, nice textured carpet there. And how to make car mats, okay? Two different techniques. But yeah, you know, you've got a nice carpet effect and nice mats there as well, okay? I'm going to show you how to do that starting now. Okay guys, the tools we're going to need for this are a sifter. Okay, some people call it a strainer. You can get much smaller ones than this, but this is the one I have, okay? Fine sawdust type material. I use flour, okay? Preferably you should use flocking. I don't have any flocking at the moment. But yeah, you can also use sawdust, okay? That'd probably be the best one, sawdust or flocking, okay? Some fine suede leather pieces, okay? Ones with a fabric feel, okay? You can get these from linen stores or arts and craft stores as well, okay? A pen or a pencil, PVA glue, a thick brush with a thick flat head preferably, slow drying enamel paint. The only one I know that works is Humbrol, so I'm not going to recommend anything else, okay? And if you're going to use another paint, make sure it's slow drying and it's sticky, okay? You can choose the color you want your car carpet to be as well, okay? I generally use Humbrol Matte 32 or dark gray. Thick masking tape. This is Tamiya 40mm masking tape. And scissors. We also need some super glue, okay, and an earbud with a pointy end. Okay, let's get started. Before we start painting, we want to ensure that the areas we do not want to have carpet on are completely masked off. Once that's done, we then paint on a thick coat of the Humbrol paint using a flat brush, and we paint only those areas we want to carpet. Now, while the paint is wet, you want to apply your flocking, your flour, or your sawdust using the sifter as you're seeing here. I'm going to let the video do all the talking now, and you're not going to hear much from me till this process is done. Leave this for 1 hour. Leave this to dry for an entire day. Here's the car carpet. As you can see, you have a very nice colored textured effect. Next, we are going to create the car mats. The first thing we need to do is create a template, a masking template using Tamiya 40mm masking tape. Okay. I will let the video explain the entire process. Here is the car mat all done up. Okay. And here is what it looks like on the car body with the carpet on the floor. We are now going to use the same method we used to make the car mat to make small mats for the floor. First thing we're going to do is use masking tape again. We're going to use the car body to measure out the size of the mats. And like I said before, I'm just going to let the video explain the entire process. Using the same method, we're now going to make 2 more mats for the rear seats, okay? Here is the car interior with the carpet and the floor mats. I hope you guys liked the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.